Thought I would just do a hopefully a quick video here. Today was September 17th. Pretty big day in the markets here. This is the current contract now of the YM 3-minute. Here we had the, go back here, here was the opening 3-minute candle. And we got our first long signal at 109.33. That didn't get hit. We got as high there as 109.29. Things rolled over. We got our first short signal there at 10,868. Again, the trend was yellow and then turned to red, so okay to take shorts. And that went from 10,868. Got our first stop here, protective stop at 10,842. You can see that was not hit, rolled over again. Made another leg down, got another short signal there, and eventually we got stopped here. We got two blue, in this case they're fuchsia dots, which means we set our stop. So from entry to stop, that one there went for 115 points. You would have, let's see, stopped there, 10,737. Okay, then so that was that. So you could have finished your day right there, 115 points, even if you took 100 points, and called it a day there. If you did continue to trade, you get a long signal here, but the trend is red. So you avoid longs when the trend is red or short. Okay, but then we did get another short signal at 10,736. And we got a stop there at, that was at 10,729. So just a little bit there from entry to stop. But that was also a long trigger, so our stop in reverse to the long side. The trend was neutral, so you can go long or short. So we got the long signal. Now that entry was I think 10,729. Now you had a stop generated, a protective stop at 10,675. Now if you had a smaller position, you could have held this and waited for the scalper's gold stop. If you had a a normal size or regular size position, then you may have taken, we don't like to take more than 30 some point stop in the YM. So you may have stopped out on that. Let's say you stopped out at 30 points on that, and you didn't wait for the scalper's gold stop. Obviously, if you waited for the scalper's gold stop, this thing paid you very nicely. Okay, but if you took a 30-point stop there and waited for the next trade, came down here, you had a short, and the short there you pass on because the trend was blue or long. But then you did get a long signal at 10,891. Trend was blue, so you can take that. You take that, and again, about a 30-point stop you're going to take there. So a couple 30-point stops in a row. But here's, this is why you keep taking the signals, and you're trading expectancy. You're not trading win percentage. Got a short. Everything's good on the trend. 10,819. And actually, let's see. If you just took this 10,819 was the short there that hit at 14:21 Central Time. Okay, and you could have rode that. You see the scalper line stayed red or fuchsia here in this case. all the way into the close. Here's the close right here. 1500 or 3 o'clock Central Time. Okay, and that went for 210 points. Okay, and the whole time, in fact, the Scalper's Gold didn't give you a stop till you basically stayed short the whole time. Either you exited at the close for 210 points, or if you waited till after and you finally did get a stop at 10,656. So anyway, you had the opportunity to take 200 points on that trade, 210 points on that short. But even if you took only 100 points on this last one, you know, you still ended up, you know, about 140 points or something like that on the day. If you did take the, you know, obviously you would have taken a lot more had you taken 200 points. But anyway, I think you see the power of the system. Keeps you in the winners. That's the key. Cut losses short, let winners run. So again, the whole point of the system is to cut those losses short, let those winners run. You're going to have about as many losses as you have wins, but the key is you can get those wins about twice the size of the losses. You know, mathematically, you're going to make money, and that's what it comes down to. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed.